Okay, this is about to start. So this is the beginning. Usually water comes out first, but it's okay in the footings. It'll be pushed back up. But, so anyways, we're about to get our first load. So the guys are working over here. We're doing a handicap shower. So they're just getting it set up a little bit better for the concrete to pour underneath. And there's the main man right there, the finisher I rely on. But it's about ready to come out. But I was talking to the guy, so the concrete is coming out. So what we have is a peak gravel mix, 2,500 PSI. And it is about a, I would say a 4.5-inch slump is what they call it. That's the amount of water that is in it. So it's a 4.5 slump. 2,500 PSI, which is the pounds per square inch that it can pressure that it can hold out. Yeah. And it's the beginning. So now it's just a matter of time, and by the end of the day, that's going to be a beautiful slab all done. And we'll be framing tomorrow morning. Yeah. So maybe I have a few more guys than I need today, but that's okay. Sometimes it's better to do that than worry about if something goes wrong. There's plenty of men to pull to take care of something. Because something always happens on concrete day. Believe it or not, something always happens. But let's hope not today. So far it's going pretty smooth. There's the concrete pumper there. So my guys are just, kicking back. It's just going to be a process at this point. So let me kind of walk you out here. So again, these same guys, they did the finished concrete for me on this one that I did. Did a beautiful job. So you can just kind of see the men that I have. Come out here. So you've seen my truck many times. They hauled a lot of dirt away in this truck, but it seems to be at the right pace for me. So here's my concrete truck pumping. Now this pumper I haven't used him before, but this was a peak gravel mix, so I just wanted someone that cared about the concrete and not scratching it. So this kid's supposed to be pretty good about paying attention. All right. Are just pumping footings right now, so it'll take a while to get these footings done. So you can see right now we're just trying to get it set up. And plus we throw dirt up against the forms just to make sure anything doesn't come out the bottom.